Chihuahua named Tinkerbell. Him and his owner fell in the water off a boat that you're over at. You can probably see where my lights are. So he fell in with the dog. Been in the water for about 40 minutes. Little Chihuahua, Tinkerbell. All right, I'm just gonna check along these docks here, and then if I see birds on lines, I know the dog hasn't been over there. So yeah, okay. All right, I'm just checking over here. All right, see you. Ron, come over here. 62, 61. 1012 with Tinkerbell. Tinkerbell. Up. Hey, Tinkerbell. I hope you don't bite. Tinkerbell. Come on, Pop. Tinkerbell. Hey, Tinkerbell.
62-1 dispatch.
That's a lovely name for Chihuahua. Hope you're nice.
I'll be 10-8 back up. Can you show me out 36 in Goodrich for the black?
Hey, puppy.
Signal 9.
Hey, puppy. It's okay, puppy. It's okay. Tinkerbell. Hey, Tinkerbell. Hey, Tinkerbell. Come on, girl. Hey, Tinkerbell. Hey, Tinkerbell. Hey, Tinkerbell. What are you doing? What are you doing, Tinkerbell? Hey, girl, it's okay. It's okay, puppy. It's okay, puppy. It's okay. Come on, Tinkerbell. Come on. Come on, girl. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, girl. Try to get a little closer. It's okay. It's okay. Good girl. All right. Good girl. It's okay. Good girl. Okay. Yeah, Tinkerbell is healthy. What are you watching? Hi. Yes. Will you watch my boat?
We have a swimmer?
Yeah, someone fell off their boat with Tinkerbell. It's okay, puppy. Tinkerbell has been found.
Awesome job, guys.
Good?
Yep.
Alright. Just watch my whip. Poor little dog.
That's crazy. Y'all found him just in the middle?
So the guy fell off his boat.
Is he in the water still?
Yeah.
Nice, good dispatch.
Man, that's amazing.
Was he hanging on
How
something?
are you? Hey, good. Good. I saw it. I was like, gosh, I said, man, my neighbors are, we're out late tonight. Did you guys have to come in? No, we were just doing a anchor lights.
Do you know where you think where they are?
No.
I'll tell you where they're boating.
Okay.
Oh my god!
Yeah.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Save the dog. Save the
You're
dog.
the best.
How did you do that?
Well, we just started looking. We got the call, and Tinkerbell was hunkered on a little piece of floating wood underneath the dog.
We got
So her parents.
Let me get a picture.
We're gonna take her.
Can I get a picture?
Yeah,
You
Oh
mind?
my god!
No.
Oh,
I'll make a picture.
They'll be pretty happy about it.
Okay, look right here.
All right.
Thanks,
Oh my God.
Ryan.
Yeah, we're
I don't
just.
know what to say. You're welcome.
Yeah.
I don't know what to say.
I'm sure Tinkerbell's ready to see mom and dad.
No, he's.
No, he's gonna come home with us. We'll let his parents
I
off
don't
the
think
hospital.
we should just leave him there by himself. You got to leave.
No. We're gonna take him with us. We'll.
Okay.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
It's awesome.
I just want to hug you. I can't tell you how much.
All right, I'm glad she's okay.
How did you do that? This is just unbelievable. We were just looking and looking and looking.
Yep.
Oh my god! You're right. You're right.